Solution Center and Herbal Church. My name is Bishop Dr. Sam David, Samsam Junction and Sawom Road. I greet everybody. Tomorrow is another service day, Sunday, and I am calling all human endeavor to make it to Solution Center and Herbal Church at Samsam Junction. Car is located at a circle. Car is a circle. Two different cars is at a circle. So you can join and then come. If you cannot get that one, the circle too, you just pick any car as if you are going to Nsawam. Tell the mate you are not going to reach Nsawam. You are going to alight at Samsam Junction. Once you alight at Samsam Junction, you give me a call. One of my boys will pick the call. Then they will give you direction to that. Even that junction too, there is a car at the Samsam Junction just to the church premises. The church premises is not far. Tomorrow I will teach about people. They say that God is a destiny changer. God is destiny changer. I'm going to teach on that. If God is a destiny changer or not. Who changes destiny? Who changes destiny? We're going to look at all those tomorrow and look at the scriptures from the Bible as well. Now from there, then I will enter into the more spiritual teaching. Then I will teach about using the fur of a cat to pull luck. If you are in a game, you do any game, you do anything, how you can use the fur of a cat to pull luck. Tomorrow I am going to expose this secret. There is a certain secret in a fur of a cat, the fur of a cat. There is a certain secret in it. So for me, I will expose that secret. I will release that secret tomorrow. And when you are able to follow that secret and do it, what they call luck, you are going to get it. You are going to get it. Some people, I am going to give them key for the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to Saturday. I'm going to give them spiritual key. Key I have never, since I started this work, I have never exposed it before. I'm going to give it to some selected people. You know yourself. I gave them some kind of envelope Sunday. Some sort of envelope Sunday. Those people are coming to receive the key this tomorrow Sunday. Yes. Now, again, when I finish teaching about that luck, then I will tell you pocket no dry. What they call pocket no dry. What you can use vinegar combined with coins. Do certain things, certain direction. Two items of vinegar and coins. Your currency. Any country that you are. We're going to use that coins and vinegar and apply certain area, and then you put it in your bag, in your wallet, to see if we have pocket no dry or not. We're going to look at that. If we have pocket no dry or not. That is what is going to happen tomorrow. That is going to happen tomorrow here, Sunday. So please, when you are coming, as for the church, my church, we start very early. Very early. Even when we are late, by 7:45 to 8 o'clock, I hold microphone. So when you want to make it to church exactly, then 7:30 you are in church. By 7:30 you are in church. By 7:30 you are in church. Start preparing now. Start preparing now. Start preparing now. Because what I'm coming to teach tomorrow, what I'm coming to expose tomorrow, the secret I'm coming to release tomorrow, you have never witnessed some. You have never heard some. You have never listened to some before. Neither have you seen me teaching that thing before. It's a different secret altogether, which God has given me that license, the mandate, the chiastic, the impetus to bring forth the mysteries. Sunday, Ampire Ebedra. I am inviting all in the. I just came to the office this evening. Yes, it's almost 7, and I'm going home, and I'm moving home. Tomorrow morning by 7:30, I am at the church premises. And seriously, something different is about to happen. If you have ever visited me before, try and visit tomorrow and see the power of God. If you are thinking to visit me, try and come tomorrow. Just try and come tomorrow. Come and occupy one of the chairs and sit down. If you don't come very early, you will be sitting overflow. Come very early and be in the auditorium for me. Let me touch you. Let me give you the key. Let me release the keys to you. Last time you saw surprises happen. Last time when we came to church, there was surprise. That was just last week Sunday. Just this Sunday. Just this Sunday. When you came, I told you that when you use your saliva to apply on your navel or umbilical, it gives you power. And I'm going to give you level 2, and which I did. I fulfilled the promise and I gave you. The testimony coming is unabated. Just combination of shea butter and certain leaves and certain animal, and it gives you that power. It gives you that rain. My name is Bishop Dr. Sam David, African spiritual father. Whether you like it or not, I am the president of African spiritual leadership. African spiritual leadership. I am the president of the spiritual kingdom. It is not about the color, it is not about where you come from, but it is by the choosing of the Most High God. So come, I will release those keys tomorrow. The best teacher cannot teach the best student at home. They all have to come in a separate umbrella. Come under one umbrella. Africa is on my shoulder. Africa is on my shoulder. I am being careful to fulfill that goal, that aim. Because there are certain secrets that is hidden and nobody is ready to tell you. Nobody is ready to even know. And I am here to expose it. Till we meet again, I said 24 gunshot salute. Pow, pow, pow. Tomorrow, Sunday, Empire, Ebeja, I love you. Meet you tomorrow. Bye-bye.